A defibrillator, sometimes referred to as a defib or an AED, is an easy-to-use medical device that gives a high-energy electrical shock to the heart of someone experiencing cardiac arrest, which is an essential part of trying to save someone's life. Defibrillators are very easy to use, and the machine will give you clear instructions, so you don't need any training to operate them. If you see someone who is unconscious, not breathing, or not breathing normally, they could be in cardiac arrest. This is different to a heart attack, which is a circulation problem where the person will be conscious. You must call 999 immediately, ask for an ambulance and begin CPR. The 999 call handler will guide you through how to perform CPR and tell you if there's a public access defibrillator nearby. If there is one, ask someone else to get it whilst you continue CPR. Defibrillators come in many forms and styles, but all work in broadly the same way. Ultimately, they all do the same job and come with simple, easy-to-follow instructions, which are as follows. Step 1. Switch on the defibrillator by opening the lid or pushing the on button and follow its instructions. It will tell you what to do. Step 2. Peel off the sticky electrode pads and attach them to the skin of the patient's chest in the position shown on the pads themselves. Step 3. Once the pads are attached, pause CPR when prompted by the defibrillator and don't touch the patient. The device will analyse the patient's heart rhythm to assess whether a shock is needed. Step 4. If a shock is needed, the defibrillator will tell you to press the shock button. An automated machine will deliver the shock automatically. Ensure nobody is touching the patient while they are being shocked. Step 5. Following the shock, resume chest compressions as soon as possible and rescue breaths if trained to do so. Continue with CPR until the patient shows sign of life or when the defibrillator tells you to stop. This happens every 2 minutes so it can analyse the heartbeat again. A defibrillator will only give someone a shock if and when it is needed. It won't harm the person suffering a cardiac arrest, so there's no reason to feel nervous about using a defibrillator. Just follow the simple instructions and know using it could save someone's life. Remember, defibrillators are very easy to use and you don't need to be trained. Just follow the instructions, keep your hands off when the person is being shocked, and make sure you return the defibrillator to its original location. To locate your nearest public access defibrillator, or to find out more about getting a public access defibrillator in your community, head to our website. Defibrillators are available in many public spaces. There may be one in your school, community centre, local shopping centre or sports club. Look out for your nearest defibrillator when you're out and about. You never know when you might need one.